Hi, so I will show you how Advanced Add-ons Installer is working now. So you have an entry there. This is to add to every quick shortcut, to every quick favorite add-on Advanced Installer. So you can quickly run it with you, and this is to install from any area in Blender. So you press enter or you double click on the file, and this is installed, and in the console you have a result. This is well installed, and after, of course, you can check there if it is installed. So this is installed and enabled. So now let's see this. Just you have a restart Blender there. This is to save the actual station if it is not done, and restarting Blender. In some situation it can be useful. And there in the text editor you have at first this is creating a quick favorite, so you can enter some shortcut like the normal install reload, the add-on advanced installer, and from text editor. So let's see this. So you have the normal and advanced from text editor. So if I do it from there, for example, it will tell me that I didn't give a name to my script at first, because if not, it will register into your add-on folder text.py, and you don't know exactly what you did after, and you can so you give the name of your add-on that you are doing, and then you can install it directly like this. So we will see with an already done add-on, and we will just drag it. So we choose what, this again. Okay, so now I have the title, of course, and I do so from the quick favorite from text editor and down. This is installed, and you can see it was well installed. Now let's see about more generally the normal advanced installer. So if I press Q there, I am in a folder where I have some add-ons, so I can do this, choose this, and do so install reload. Okay, down. So it told me 2 was removed, 3 installed, and 1 ignored. No, 0 ignored. So it has removed older, so it's a good example. We had a lower version of override. It has updated it. It has installed this one. So let's see why. We have there update. So this is updated. So automatically this is installing some upper versions. I will install this at first. Okay, so let's do it, and now I will do it again with this, and this is unchecked. So if I do this, this is installed again, 0 ignore, and let's see what happened. So it has disabled the upper version, and it has enabled the lower version. So because the update is not on, and let's see now if we do it with so this is this is this one. Okay, so now we have only, because it's automatically cleaning. Okay, but you have another option, so I will show you this now. We will install without update this one. So now we have two versions. You can do 2 superior there, and it will automatically clean all the superior. It will keep just the superior versions of every add-on. So this is to clean every add-ons there. So if you do this, I had only one version in conflict with the lower one, and now this is clean. This I can show it now, but override. Yes. So what I will do, I will go from there. Okay, I go there in the user folder, and I will delete this. Okay. So now, if I go there, I will do Control U, save preferences, and I will restart. Okay, so now if I search override, okay, missing scripts fields. Sometimes you are cleaning some files, or you have these warnings. So you can do this, clean up missing scripts. So if I do this, all missing scripts are cleaned. Okay, this is to remove fake modules. I think this is really an error that there is in Blender to allow fake modules. You take a simple script, a py, and you install it without any bell info. This is not an add-on at all, and this is directly with the normal installation installed into Blender. Let's do it. I will install this. I will just we have this. So I will disable this, okay, and save. Okay, so now I can okay, so now if I install this, I install, okay, this is installed, but this is not an add-on at all. If I search this, I don't have any py nowhere, because this is not an add-on. And normally there is not a message, but after restarting it will tell me fake module detected, bad performance. Okay, so now if we do this, you can see one fake module removed, and it has removed PP. Okay, so there, this is to see last install. I propose something to add it there. Okay, so let's do this. So in Windows, this is automatically opening the console. This is the historic of what you install, and the last one now. Okay, so oh yes, this one, disable all. Okay, so if I search now what I have only as add-on activated add-on advanced installer. I can't disable this one and reinstalling. If not, I will have an error. And okay, so now if I do enable, all add-ons are enabled again. Okay, so you can go to your add-on folder and user, and by type. So yes, this is creating this. So a list of what is installed. So this is the default add-ons and some add-ons that I installed. Okay, so you can have a full list of all installed add-ons like this. Let's see now into this to understand well. If I am in a folder with no py, no zip, all disappear, and we have the same menu that you had. So let's clear all inferior version and just keep superior, clean missing, and clean fake, and disable all, and last add-on install add-ons. So we don't have nothing. But if we go now into this, what is this? This is an add-on into a folder, so an unzip add-on, and it is detecting the init with a valid bell info in it. So I will show you. So with this, if not, okay, you can see now this is not the same menu. So I will do Control Z and Control S. Okay, so now you can see this is like this. So let's do it. It has installed and remove this, because it has removed nothing. I will just show you. You have update now there too. So you can install add-ons directly unzipped. So this is super quick if you want to do some changes, like I just show you. And you have now the update version 2. Okay, so now let's see in a normal folder with some add-ons. This is detecting all this, and we have some options. So this is not related to install. This is other thing, but let's see this. In this folder, we can press this, and you can see this is changed to file. So if I do this, what is happening? I have now install text exist. Let's see this. Install text exist. And I can, if I have a long list, I cannot search it because this is not underlined by Blender when appearing. This is automatically refreshing. This is why it's appearing. So we don't have to do this. So we can open it, like I showed before with OS browser, the other add-on that I have on my GitHub channel. So you can see what I have. So this is install add-on in this folder. So and if I do browse, this is just browsing and lightening the right folder. And if you do that, you can delete it. So without having to search it there. And if you don't check this, this is printing to console. So on Windows, this is opening the console, and other system not. And now we will just delete this, and we will close, and we will open this one. So someone asked to have the possibility to install. So I will delete first. So to install folder from a list, add-ons from a list. So we need to have install point text. We don't have any install point text in this folder, but we can create one with all files. So this is not exactly what we want, but I will show you. I am creating it, and now what I can do of course open and edit. So I will just keep this. Okay, and okay, I will let this one by accident, because normally you don't want to reinstall advanced add-on installer over advanced installer. If not, you will have an error. And this one I don't want it. Okay, so I can let a space like this, and I can put a space before it won't be a mistake. And this is so checking if it is a zip or a py, and you will need one by line. So I save. Okay, so now I can do install with this button, not this one. So if I do this, some errors, but it has installed two add-ons. I will open the so now I can do my shortcut because I reinstall toggle console on top. Yes, toggle console on top. This is how I have a shortcut to open the console with an F1 or Alt F1, and we are searching a way to freeze it, because if you do this is disappearing. This is in some situation this is better to have it over, but you can use a software named Desk Pins. We have installed this, and we ignored this one. Like I told you, this is not installing it. This and this, there are some fake modules there. Print the errors. Invalid, yes, this is telling you invalid zip file. So we have a problem in this file, and this is warning you. So you can, so of course I can close everything after, and by default this is like this. Okay, so I hope this is not too much, but I think these are very useful options So remember, you have it there, some options to clean, general options to clean add-ons, and you have it there too. And you have one entry there, and one entry there. Okay, so this is all for this presentation. Okay, bye.